students, welcome back to our maths class. We are discussing the solution of pair of linear equations in two variables. First method we already studied, that is graphical method of finding solution of pair of linear equations. I am continuing one more graphical question. Just listen here. Draw the graph of the equations x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis. You already know that first we want to find the first equations to solution x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. I find out two solution 0, 1, second 2, 3. Same way 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. That linear equations two solution also I already find out 0, 6 and 4, 0. Next I have drawn that two lines. First x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This line is the graph of first equation and this line is the graph of the second equation. And these two lines and with the x-axis one triangle is formed. You look that. This is the x-axis fully. These two lines make a triangle and they told to shade that triangle area also. Triangle's part you want to shade also. Just listen. Just look. This is the triangular part. You want to write the coordinates of the triangle. This is the one coordinate. This is the another one. And this will be the third one. Now you want to find the coordinates of this triangle A. A means this is the triangle coordinate A. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Therefore A is equal to 2, 3. This is the second part. B is equal to x minus 1 and 0. The C that will be 4, 0. Therefore these are the vertices of this triangle. Clear this? Next, I am showing one more equation. 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. You want to find out another linear equation. Their graphical representation will be parallel line. First case who already knows that parallel lines you want to get. Not a parallel line. First we can write the intersecting lines. Given that linear equation 2x minus, you want to find out another linear equation. Its graphical representation will be, first case we can write intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Understood the question? One linear equation is given. You want to find out another linear equation. Their graphical representation will be intersecting line. Then what is the condition for intersecting line? A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Here what is A1? Here A1 is equal to 2, B1 is equal to 3 and C1 is equal to minus 8. You want to find out that A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. That condition you want to follow for getting the intersecting line. Therefore first equation you already know 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. I am just changing the x and y coefficients. Next I am writing 3x plus 2y. Here any number we can write. I am writing minus 3 equal to 0. Then just look. Here a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 3. b1 by b2 you got 3 by 2. a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Therefore these two lines will be, the graphical representation of these two lines will be intersecting lines. Next I am writing parallel line. What is the condition for parallel lines? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. So first same equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Next we want to make A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 same. Therefore I am multiplying this equation by 2. Then what you will get? 4x plus 6y. These two I am multiplying by 2. Next not equal to C1 by C2. Then we can write the same. Minus 3 equal to 0. Then what is a1 by a2? a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 4, that's equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 you got 3 by 6, that also 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is equal to minus 8 by minus 3, that's equal to 8 by 3 itself. Therefore a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Therefore these two linear equations graph will be parallel line. Next case will be intersecting lines, not coincident. Next one is coincident line. What is the condition for coincident line? All the a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Then first same equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Next I am making 4x plus 6y. Here also you want to get 1 by 2. Then I am writing minus 16 equal to 0. Then just look, a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 4, that's equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. c1 by c2 equal to minus 8 by minus 16, that also equal to 1 by 2. Now you got all this, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Therefore these two linear equations graph will be coincident line. Is it clear, dear students? Next, our graphical method almost over. Next we are going to the algebraic method of solving pair of linear equations. What is it? Algebraic method. Algebraic method of solving pair of linear equation in two variable. In the text already three methods are there. First method is substitution method, second one elimination method, third one is cross multiplication method. But this cross multiplication method is deleted portion, therefore you want to study these two methods only. First method is substitution method. Substitution method. What is the meaning of substitution method? ഒന്നിനു പകരം മറ്റൊന്ന് വയ്ക്കുക. That is the meaning of substitution. I will show substitution method through one example. Just write the question. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. Solved by substitution method. Solved by substitution method. First I am giving this as the equation number 1, this I am giving equation number 2. First we will find out the value of x in terms of y or y in terms of x, and we will substitute that in the next equation. Then we will find out the value of x or y like that. The first one is 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Then I am keeping 2x here, then 13 minus 3y. X is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. That I am giving as equation number 3. Now you got x in terms of y. Next for finding this we used equation number 1. And next I am substituting this x value in equation number 2. Substituting in equation 2. Substituting in equation number 2, you will get 4 into, in the place of x you want to give 13 minus 3y by 2 plus 5y is equal to 23. Thus we can cut 2. Then 2 into 13 minus 3y plus 5y is equal to 23. 2 into 13 means 26 minus 6y plus 5y is equal to 23. Then minus 6y plus y means y minus y is equal to 23 minus 26. Then minus y is equal to minus 3, that means plus y will be plus 3. Now you got the value of y, and that you want to substitute in equation number 3, you will get the x value also. Substitute y is equal to 3 in equation number 3. Then x is equal to 9. 13 minus 9 means 4. 4 by 2, that's equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 is the value of solution of these two pair of linear equation. Is it clear? Then this I use 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Suppose that if you are taking this as the first one, that also possible. 4x is equal to 23 minus 5y. X is equal to 23 minus 5y by 4. That time you want to substitute that value in the equation number 1. Which equation we are using? It's the next equation you want to substitute that values. Next, just here, first I have taken 4x is equal to, if you are using 5y, that also possible. Just I am showing 5y is equal to 23 minus 4x. Y is equal to 23 minus 4x by y, 5. That will be the equation number 3. That you can substitute in the equation 1. Then also, just look, first one 5y is equal to, this also possible. In the with the second equation I have used, that time you want to substitute in the first one. And if the first equation we are finding x and y, that time you want to substitute in the second one. Here y you got, that you can substitute in the first equation, then also you will get the same answer. Next I will show one more equation. Just look, question number 2. Solve s minus t equal to 3 and s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6, solved by substitution method. I am giving this as the equation number 1, this as the equation number 2. Then I am using first equation itself. From that I am writing s is equal to 3 plus t, that I am writing equation number 3. And that value you want to substitute in the equation number 2. Here we used first equation for finding s. Therefore, you want to substitute that in the second equation. In the place of x, s, you want to substitute 3 plus t. Then 3 plus t by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Here normally you know that fraction. You want to find the LCM. LCM will be 6. Therefore, this equation you want to multiply with 2. This equation you want to multiply with 3. Then this 2 for both. Then 6 plus 2t plus 3t all divided by 6 is equal to 6. Then 6 plus 5t is equal to 36. 5t is equal to 36 minus 6, that's equal to 30. Therefore, t equal to 30 by 5, that's equal to 6. Now you got t value, you got 6. Now substitute in the equation number 3. Then s is equal to 3 plus t, that is 3 plus 6, that's equal to 9. Therefore, t equal to 6, s is equal to 9 will be the solution of this linear equations. I will show one more example. Solve 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. X by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. This is the equation. Normally by the substitution method I am using this equation number 1 and 2. Next I am using x by 3. This 2 I am using to write x in terms of 1. X by 3 equal to 13 by 6 minus y by 2. Here also 1 is 6 and here this we can multiply with 3. Then that will be 13 minus 3y by 6. Here x by 3. Therefore x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 6 into 3. We can cut this. Therefore x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. X value you got 13 minus 3y by 2. That you want to substitute in the equation number 1. Just look, 3x in the place of x you want to give 13 minus 3y by 2. Here 3 by 2 are already taken outside. Minus 5y by 3 equal to minus 2. Here 3 into 13 means 39 minus 9y divided by 4 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. Then here also 4 and 3. 12 will be the LCM. First you want to multiply with 3. 3 into 39 minus 9y by 12 minus, here you want to multiply with 4. Then 20y minus 20y by 12 is equal to minus 2. Then 3 into 39 means 117 minus 27y minus 20y all divided by 12 is equal to minus 2. Then 117 minus 47y is equal to minus 24. Then minus 47y is equal to minus 24 minus 117, that's equal to minus 141. Minus 140. Minus 47y is equal to minus 141. Y is equal to minus 141 by minus 47. How many times? That is equal to 3. 47 into 3. Therefore, y is equal to 3. You got. Now you want to find the value of x also. We can, what is the equation number 3? This is the equation number 3. X is equal to, there you can substitute the x value. Just look. X is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. That is 13 minus 3 into 3 by 2. That is 13 minus 9 by 2. That is 4 by 2. That's equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Y is equal to 3 is the solution of that pair of linear equation. Therefore, you want to practice this type of questions enough, then only it will be clear to you. Anyways, today's class I am winding up. Thank you.